All right, here we go. We have Casey and Mac again. We use this little training area here. We're going to do 2 training sessions in one here. We're going to go back to have Mac to have some self-control. We're also going to start training Casey leave it. Now she's been through a few sessions up till now. This time I'm going to add a different element. Having another dog present adds a different level of criteria and difficulty to it. I just want her to leave something alone, which is a food object. Then I'm gonna add a little bit different criteria as the training session goes. The leave it cue, in essence, right now, it's I'll ask her to leave a piece of food in the palm of my hand. Once she does, she gets rewarded with another treat. And then I'll actually drop the treat on the ground, have her leave it. If she doesn't, I'll step over it, but just enough to where I'm not crushing the treat, just to have my heel up. At the same time, our boy Mac here, he's going to be laying down in a wait cue while I train Casey. So it's 2 different training sessions going on. I want him doing something, then I want her to do something. Both are going to, the communication between us, all 3 of us, is going to be clear. It's going to be precise. I'm not going to add a bunch of mumbo jumbo to it all. It's just going to be a few cues. For instance, the cues I'm going to use right now is a leave it cue, a down, a wait, that's 3, and I'm going to use the NOPE, a nope cue. That's a marker that you did it wrong, that you're getting no reward. Mac really responds to NOPE because he's like, oh, I really wanted that treat, but I guess I messed it up. So this is the process of training. Be clear and precise on what you ask the dogs to do. Not a lot of no's and all this other crazy stuff. Remember, they start tuning you out. So clear, precise cues here. And this is just practicing. I haven't even attempted this yet. So we're going to try it now and see what we got. All right, we'll start with Mac first. We're macking it down. Okay, so I didn't want that down, so we're going to try it again. Down, down. Good boy. Good boy. Wait. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Good. Down. Down. Good boy. Leave it. Wait. Leave it. Good. Good. Down. Come on, back up, right up. Come on. Whatever. You see, now they switch position. Down. Wait. Leave it. Leave it. Good. Good. Wait. 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 Casey. Good. Leave it. Leave it. Good. Nope. Down. 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 Good boy. Wait. Leave it. Leave it. Good. Wait. Okay, come here. Nope. Oh, I said okay there. So remember the cues. I said okay for her. He popped up, which is perfectly fine within the means. So we'll try this again. What I'm looking for is actually being able to drop the treat in between both of them. I don't want him to get up and I want her to leave it. So but I have to be clear with all my interpretation, all my communication between the 2. Down, wait, wait, leave it, leave it, good, wait, leave it, leave it, good, down, down, good boy, wait, good. Wait. I said wait. Leave it. Good girl. Wait. Oh. Down. Good boy. Wait. Come on. Wait. Casey. Good girl. Wait. Good. Leave it. Good. Nope. Good. Come on. Casey. Nope. Come on. And see, he's popping up because he's not sure, he's not used to this. That's okay. We're going to get it right. That's the process of it all. Mack, down. Wait. Casey. Good girl. Leave it. Good. Good boy. Wait. Wait. Leave it. Good. Good boy. Casey. Good girl. Nope. Down. Down. Wait. Casey. Good girl. Leave it. Good. Wait. Wait. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Good. Wait. Good boy. Wait. Leave it. Leave it. Good. Wait. All right, tough part here. Wait. All right, I'm going to let him up now. Okay, good boy. Good. So the tough part's getting ready to come up, me actually dropping the treat on the ground. That's going to be the tough part. So they did that really good. It was successful. I'm going to go back to that certain spot, you know, where I have one downing and then the other leaving it. And then after 2 or 3 of those, I'm actually drop the treat on the ground. When he hears the click, he pops up. It's completely understandable. I'm not going to yell at him because he's doing what he's been trained to do. Remember, the click ends the behavior, so he's only kind of doing what he knows to do there. So we're going to do this again. Down. Wait. Leave it. Leave it. Good girl. Wait. Casey. Nope. Down. Good girl. Casey. Good. Wait. Leave it. Leave it. Good. Wait. Alright, here we go. Test time. Maybe you can see. Alright, we can't see. Alright, let's try it over here. Good boy. Okay. Down. Down. Good boy. Casey's gonna. Casey, come on. Wait. Nope. Matt, down. Down. Good boy. Casey, come on. Nope. Matt, down. Good boy. Casey, come on. Nope. Matt, down. No matter what happens, I want him down. Down. Wait. Good boy. Casey. Casey. Good girl. Matt didn't get up. Casey, come on. Nope. Down. Down. Good boy. Wait. 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 Now I'm going to place the treat on the ground. Wait. Leave it. Good. Good boy. Leave it. Good. Wait. She slipped. Wait. Leave it. Good girl. Leave it. So she's sniffing around my foot now. She's licking at it. All I want her to do is leave it alone. Leave it. Good. Wait. Good girl. Come on. Wait. Leave it. Good girl. Wait. She slipped. She tried to go around back. That's okay. I know the tricks of all the dogs, so she's not going to win, but that's alright. Leave it. Good. Good boy. Wait. Leave it. Leave it. Good girl. Leave it. Good. Leave it. Leave it. Good girl. Leave it. Good girl. Leave it. Leave it. Good. Wait. Leave it. Leave it. Good. Wait. Leave it. Good girl. Wait. Leave it. Good girl. Okay, come on. Okay. All right, one more. We're going to do one more. Okay. Woo! Woo! So this time I'm going to add a different element to it. All right, we're ready. We're ready. We're ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Woo! Get excited. This is the level I want him at. Woo! Down. Down. Wait. Wait. Nope. Down. Down. Wait. Down. Yeah. Different. It's a different level here. Wait. Wait. Good girl. Nope. Wait. Wait. Good. Wait. Wait. Good girl. Wait. Nope. Wait. Good girl. So now I'm going to actually let her have this toy. We're going to play while he still stays waiting. Take it. Good girl. Wait. Down. Down. Wait. Remember we did this yesterday. Good boy. Wait. Alright, so now we'll go back. Nope. Down. Now we'll go back to the wait for her. Wait. 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 Good. Wait. 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 Good girl. Wait. Wait. Good girl. Wait. Wait. Take it. Good girl. Wait. Good boy. Wait. Nope. Down. Down. Good boy. Wait. Good. Wait. 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 Good. Good boy. Alright, I'm going to let him go. That's it. Wait. Wait. See, I don't want her jumping up and taking anything out of my hand at all. Wait. Wait. Okay. Okay. Woo! Alright, so self-control, not just using treats, but using some toys too. It's a stick. You know, I brought the stick inside. We have a good time with it, of course. As you see now, they're having a good time. Structured training like that inside, it builds skill in each dog. You know, have one doing one thing and then the other doing something completely different. The leave it cue while he's in the stay, and then I would like to switch that, have something, he's doing something different while she's in the stay. Something like that. They're always going to be together. We train one individually, then we bring them together and train them together. So they're having a good time here. Obviously, they're having a fantastic time. I'm having a great time with them. Their aptitude to learn is unbelievable. They're learning fairly quickly, but it still needs to be practiced. And these videos definitely will help you guys out to do exactly the same things here. Because there come times you really need these cues, these leave-its and the weights and downs and stuff like that. They will go right back to where these little situations we were training, right back to these little situations. So we're having a good time. Have a good one.